We've been here in the Bureau in Jerusalem covering these for the last 10 hours since the first wave of strikes occurred, striking the nuclear enrichment facility in Natanz and a number of other places across the country. That's where we see that 200 fighter jets hitting 100 targets, but it looks like that number may continue to grow. The IDF spokesperson just got on camera a short time ago and put out a statement where he said the Air Force continues to strike in Iran over the recent hours. And it was Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu who, in his first video statement, said this could continue for days. Israel has made clear that it has a number of goals here, including either destroying or degrading Iran's nuclear capabilities, as well as taking out Iran's top military and nuclear leadership. And that we have already seen play out. A number of Iran's top military leaders, including the head of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps and the head of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Air Force, have been killed as part of these strikes. The latter is significant because he was in charge of Iran's ballistic missile program, and that remains the great fear here, that Iran has the capability to launch hundreds of ballistic missiles at Israel that could overwhelm Israel's air defenses. And he was also responsible or led Iran's retaliatory attack against Israel last April. So he has been, or had been, I should say, in this sort of scenario, and was clearly very high on the list of Israeli targets as they went after, again, not only the nuclear facilities and the ballistic missile facilities, but the top of the military and nuclear leadership, in what is frankly a remarkable sweep of strikes in terms of the numbers, the targets, how far spread across they are across pretty much all of Iran, and in a number of neighborhoods in Tehran itself. The question now, of course, as we wait to see how many more strikes, how many more targets are there coming. Israel has made clear it will go after nuclear facilities, including, for example, the underground facilities at the Natanz enrichment facility. And then, of course, we're here waiting to see what that retaliation looks like.